Now we show you this cable lock. We have two kinds. This one is AM cable lock, and this one is RF cable lock. And normally we could use on the bag, such as this is a computer bag. We go through it, and now you cannot drag it very easily. If somebody want to stolen it, cut it, it will alarm by himself. The other way, if somebody want to just take the bag with this cable lock and the EIS gates AM, such as this one, AM gates will alarm. And if we want to take off this cable lock, we also could use this magnetic detector. This point you can see. Now drag it out very easily. It's okay.